everyone, Dale and Jenna here today, and we're going to show you how a few tips and tricks today on Toy Story Mania. We are doing my favorite ride, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Doesn't mean I'm going to get a high score, but I'll try to show you what to shoot for.
Yeah, so we're going to go on Toy Story Mania and show you some of Dale's tips and tricks, guys. Hope you enjoy the video.
We're going to go into Toy Story Mania, my favorite ride. See how high of a score we can get today. So I'm going to try to show you some tricks and tips of where to shoot to try to get that high score. I don't get a huge 500, 600,000 high score, but I know where they're at. But it's still, just because you know where it's at, you have to still hit your target. And I'll try to show you where to aim to get the high scores.
And I'm going to try to film it. Wish me luck.
Yes! Here we go. We got to get it ready.
You ready to shoot?
Ready to shoot them. Rootin', shootin', tootin'.
Dale, show us your trip. Your trips?
My trips. I'll show you all the trips.
Show us your tips and tricks.
I'll try to. The first game, if you haven't played this yet, is just a practice round. So try not to wear out my arm.
Hey, howdy, hey! Welcome to our practice game.
Just hold the stand.
Watch those pies. Coming in fast, Woody.
Nice.
I think they've got the hang of it. Wait, it's busing time.
get last round?
230.
So we got 243. I wasn't playing to help or hinder him, so that might have helped. Oh, that's the vehicle. Good job.
It's okay.
Now it's my turn to play.
Okay.
Alright guys, well that is it for our tips and tricks. It's hard to say.
It is hard to
Tips,
say.
Tricks.
We've been having issues with it all day.
Just some trouble there, you know? But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you guys out the next time you're here.
Yeah.
Definitely helped me out, and I got my best, well, one of my best scores just a minute ago. So.
And it wasn't like, obviously my score wasn't the best, but at least you have an idea of what to aim for.
That's right,
So,
and it might help you just get a little bit better score. So. So anyways, leave us a comment down below if you knew some of these tips and tricks. Let us know if you know any others, because we're open for, you know, any tips and tricks.
And also your high score.
Oh yeah, let us know what your high score is.
Yes.
And if you prefer Toy Story Mania or Buzz Lightyear, this is my favorite.
Oh yeah, mine too for sure. For sure.
And give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And Victor Naraki, he is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/NarakiRealtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.